In this last video to make the Sawhorse, we'll trim the ends of all the legs at the top and bottom so it's a flat surface at the top, and the 48-inch legs don't penetrate the z=0 or the XY plane. Hit escape to get out of the 3D free orbit. Let's launch the slice command. It's this little knife going through a piece of bread. Click slice. We want to slice all four legs, so we'll select them as the crossing window and hit enter. We want to use the 3-point method, same as the 3D mirror command. The 3-point method is very, very versatile. So hit enter to invoke the 3-point method. For 3 points on the plane, well, just 3 points here at random, we'll select 3 points on the XY plane. Just out in air here, AutoCAD assumes you're pointing at the XY plane. Hit enter to allow both top and bottom parts of the legs to remain. You can delete them, but I like to see them cut before I delete them. Now erase all four of them. Now our legs perfectly touch the XY plane. In this case, we're using it as the floor. Hit escape to get out of 3D free orbit. Repeat the process at the top, to cut off these sharp points, sharp edges here. Well, 3 points that are not in a straight line along the surface of this top edge of the Sawhorse will form a 3-point plane at which to slice those little corners off. So invoke the slice command again. We'll select everything, no harm in over selecting, and hit enter. Hit enter again to invoke the 3 points method. And O-snap on any 3 endpoints or midpoints on the top edge of the Sawhorse. Last question, specify the point on desired side. I like to erase them manually later, so I'll hit enter to accept both sides. There you can see the little cut the slice plane did. Now let's simply erase these little wedges. And that concludes our Sawhorse. We can rotate it around. It's level with the floor. The top surface is flat. Hit escape to lose the gerbil wheel. Change the visual display. And that's about it for our simple Sawhorse.